everybody. It's Hugh again. Just wanted to discuss a few things with you about change. I was on the phone this morning with my mentor, and we were talking about the elements of change. So after we got done talking, I thought it was something that's pretty important that everybody see. Everybody probably knows it. It's just a matter of sometimes reinforcing it. Helps out a lot. So 3 steps of change. The first step is changing the status quo. That means you've got to change your daily routine. You got to shake things up. You got to rock the boat. Because if you don't make any changes with yourself, or change your status quo or whatever, you're going to be doing the exact same thing that you're doing today, tomorrow, next week, next year. So you got to shake it up a little bit. You got to make that effort to change your daily routine. Next, the change has to affect you enough to where you're not just talking about it. You're not just complaining about it. You're not just bitching about it. You will actually take an effort and make the move, for that change. And then once you find that level of success or level of comfort, or however you want to put yourself in that category, you need to make the conditions stable so those changes will remain. Just for example, if you're trying to lose some weight and you need to cut out all your sugar, making the conditions right for that would probably be to eliminate most of the sugar in your house. If you wanted to focus a little bit better on your work, maybe you discontinue the Facebook feeds, because that could tie up a lot of your time. So these are the three main steps. So again, change your status quo, change your routine, shake things up, rock the boat, however you want to put it. And don't just talk about it. Take the action to actually make you move towards that change. Is the hurt just enough to talk about, or is the hurt enough for you to make that move? And that's what has to be important. And then once you find the results, make the environment, stabilize the environment, and make them conditions for that results to remain. I hope this was helpful. I'm sure everybody knows this, but every once in a while, just getting it thrown back in your face can kind of give you an idea that, hey, maybe I do need to do a few things different. So, all right, until tomorrow.